Happy Tuesday, budget friends. Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaBudgets and vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebie down below so you can grab it if you'd like. We're stuffing some more savings challenges today. This was some funds that I was thinking, hey, maybe I can spend, and I decided not to spend it and put a little bit more towards it. So my weekly expenses cash stuffing, I took my money from my envelope already, so I'm not even giving myself a chance to spend it. So anyway, I pulled out the players cards because that's what we're gonna do today. We have $5, $10, $15, $20, $25, $30. Yeah, $30 today. Okay. So exciting. All right, so let's grab some ones. Let's grab some dollar bills, and I'll be right back. I wasn't able to get more change for the fives there, so hopefully we'll be able to get through this and I'll be able to get more change, but we'll see how that goes. Let's shuffle up our players cards. It looks like number one only needs $2, so hopefully that works out for us perfectly fine. We're just adding 2 players cards to each of our envelopes. This way our envelopes should get some money, or if not money today, an IOU. So, oh, we already have $4 going into the first savings challenge that only needs 2, so that's good. We'll move that off to the side here. That means this savings challenge is completed. It is our melanin tattoo collection. So, yes, $2 more there. All right, so now we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 bucks here, which is phenomenal. Okay, so savings challenge completed. We're not adding more savings challenges until we complete all of these. So that's been working for me and I want to keep it that way. Let's see here. Number 2 is getting, okay, it says $1 plus a misfortune, $2, and flip again and add another $1. So 4 bucks. Ooh, okay. Mermaid said, pay my $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in total we have $2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7. And let's just do 3, 4, 5. Perfect. So that way we have a little bit of change there. Okay, next savings challenge is our spring melanin, which is getting $3. 1, 2, and 3. Now in total we have $2, 3, 4, $5. We might be able to do another round here. $2 going into our spa, or excuse me, our soft girl era. And we have $2 here. In total we have 5, 10, 11, 12, $13 already for this savings challenge. All right, $2 going into our coffee and puppies. Now we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bucks. We have $3 going into our roll and save. And instead of doing 2 and 1, I think we're just going to do 3 and then roll again if we can. Okay, so this savings challenge so far has 5, 10, 11, 12, 13 bucks. Okay. All right, so we're going to go back to the beginning. Number 1 was completed, so we're not going to worry about her. Let's shuffle these cards, and then we will work with, let's do 1 card and see how this goes. So $1, $1, $1, $1, $2. All right, and $2. All right, so number 6 is completed. We're going to go ahead and take her out of here. So this is a cupcake roll and save. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So let's write that on here. Yay! Another one completed. Perfect. All right, so it looks like we have a couple bucks. So let's just see what we can do here. I have my IOU slip. Hopefully we don't need it, but we'll see how it goes. So sorry about that. Got an interruption. Hopefully I'm on track. Oh boy. Let's see here. So mermaid getting $2. And we have $1 going into our spring melanin. Another $1 going into our soft girl era. $2. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. $2 misfortune. And flip again. Ooh, $1. Okay. Yes, I love it when that happens. Because I don't like the IOUs. Especially when I'm on such a good high from actually completing savings challenges. So let's go back to the beginning here. We are not going to go over the titles of savings challenges. Just know that they are linked down below in our shop. We are adding $3 more here. $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10. All right. Yay. And I mentioned that we have other savings challenges, newer ones that I printed them, but I hadn't laminated them yet. And so actually at the time I'm filming this, I still haven't laminated them, but hopefully soon so that way we can get them into rotation. So we're adding $2. 1, 2. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, perfect. Trying to make sure the ink is dry. Adding $2 more here. Ooh, okay. Let's see here. So I guess we have to do the 1 and the 1. Let's do. Now we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 bucks. So cool to see these savings challenges adding up. Can't wait to finish more of them so I can do my sinking funds cash stuffing. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bucks going into our coffee and puppies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bucks. Yay! Perfect. So number 6 we already completed. You saw it earlier in this video. So that is everything for today. We've gone ahead and stuffed our savings challenges for our S&C Budget Creations. Completed 2 of our savings challenges today, and I'm so excited to see it. I'm hoping to maybe at the beginning of March do another sinking funds cash stuffing, but we'll see how all of that plays out. I have a couple of savings challenges that I want to put into rotation as well. So, but that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.